Model, 64-plate Isuzu D-Max Utah Vision D, CTWTRBTD None runner spares repairs VAT included. Body, silver 4x4. Mileage, 181726. MOT, the 15th of November 2025. Engine, 2499 cc4 JK1 intercooler E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, engine does not start and want turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers,